Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the fascinating regeneration process of the skin. Our skin is a fascinating organ that constantly renews itself, allowing us to heal from wounds and maintaining a youthful appearance. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of skin rejuvenation and also understand the science behind the regeneration of our skin. Now, this video is going to be a very thorough one. It's going to have a lot of science in it. It's going to touch on a lot of intricate details when it comes to your skin, the structure of your skin, and how the skin works. So if you would like to learn, you would like to be schooled today about how your skin actually heals itself after you have injured it or burnt it, or you have caused any sort of trauma, even when you bleach your skin to the point that your skin becomes damaged. Today, we're going to explore how your skin heals itself and everything that you need to know about the regeneration process of your skin. So if this is something that you're interested in and you would like to learn more, please keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you about the science behind skincare formulation, the science of your skin, how your skin actually works with the skincare products that you put on them, and so many other things that has to do with skincare and beauty. So if these are things that you're interested in and you like to take your formulation game to another level, you want to learn, not just watch videos for entertainment, but you want to actually learn about the skincare formulation process and everything that you need to know about that, then you definitely want to join this family. We are very warm and welcoming here. We would love you to click the subscribe button down below to join the family, and make sure you click on that notification bell so you are one of the first persons to know when we post a new video. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friends, welcome back to the channel. Now today, like the title of the video says, we're going to be talking about the regeneration process of our skin. Now, this is a process that is very important in our lives. It helps us, it helps wound healing, it helps with trauma to the skin, it helps with bleached skin. It's a process that is very, very important when it comes to skincare formulation. So if this is something that you would like to learn about, please keep on watching. Now, first, before we dive into the intricate details of the skin regeneration process, let's first of all understand what skin regeneration means. Now, skin regeneration is a natural process by which our skin repairs or replaces damaged or dead cells. This process actually ensures the vitality and the functionality of our skin. The cell regeneration process is essential for wound healing, maintaining a healthy skin, and even reversing the signs of aging. Now, to understand how skin regeneration occurs, we need to familiarize ourselves with the structure of the skin. Our skin is made up of three main layers, which are the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous tissue. Now, the epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin, which provides protection barrier against the environment. And the dermis lies behind or below the epidermis, and it contains blood vessels, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The subcutaneous tissue is the deepest layer of the skin, and this provides insulation and cushioning to our skin. Now that we know all of this, let's now go further to understand and talk about the key players in the regeneration process of our skin. Now, we have stem cells, which are undifferentiated cells. And these undifferentiated cells have a very unique ability to develop into different or various specialized cell types. In the skin, there are two types of stem cells that play a key role in the regeneration process, which are the epidermal cell and the dermal papilla cells. Now, we're going to talk about them one after the other so that we can understand this process properly, because this particular topic is a very, very advanced topic, and if we're not careful, we will lose our track. So I'm going to try as much as possible to break them into different bits. So now let's talk about the epidermal cell. The epidermal stem cell resides in the basal layer of the epidermis. The basal layer of the epidermis, just like it says, is the base, the lowest point of the epidermis. Now, these basal cells are responsible for continuously replenishing the epidermis by dividing and differentiating into various cell types like the keratinocytes, which forms the protective outer layer of the skin. These stem cells also play a vital role in wound healing, as they are able to migrate to the injury site to initiate the regeneration process. I know this is quite an advanced topic, so I'm trying as much as possible to explain it to the point that you guys can understand. But if you want to get a one-on-one training with me where you learn everything that has to do with the skin's anatomy and how it relates to your skincare formulation, which is a course that is our diploma in skincare formulation course, then you definitely want to reach us using the link in the description bar. We also have advanced training. In this advanced training, we will go further to teach you detailed information about the anatomy of the skin and advanced skincare formulation. We also have our anti-aging skincare formulation course, where we teach you about the skin, the aging process, and the products that you can make to focus or target premature aging or aging in general. We also have skincare formulation courses where you tell us what exactly you want to learn, and then we will create a model for you. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar if you would like a more detailed and a more thorough explanation and teaching on this topic and some other advanced skincare formulation topics. We also have the dermal papilla cells, which are located in the hair follicles within the dermis. Now, these cells support hair growth, and they are responsible for the regeneration of the dermal layer, or they are involved in the regeneration of the dermal layer. These dermal papilla cells release signaling molecules that promotes the proliferation and differentiation of other cells that are involved in the regeneration process. Now that we understand the key players in the regeneration process, let's dive into the process of skin regeneration. Now, when the skin is injured, whether it be from burn, from abrasion, from skin damage, there is a complex series of events that is triggered to initiate the healing process of the skin. Now, one of those events are inflammation. Now, the first stage of skin regeneration is inflammation. When the skin is injured, blood vessels dilate, allowing immune cells and growth factors to reach the site of injury. And this process can cause redness, it can cause swelling, and heat. These are the typical signs of inflammation. Now, these inflammatory cells go to the wound site and clean the wound site by removing debris and pathogens. Another event that is triggered is the formation of granulation tissues. Now, the body forms granulation tissues, which acts as a scaffold for the new skin cells to grow. Fibroblast, which is a specialized cell in the dermis, produce collagen and other extracellular matrix components, which helps to build this tissue. Now, the next step is epithelialization. Now, this is actually the second step in the process of skin regeneration. After the inflammatory process, the skin begins to rebuild itself. During this stage, the epidermal stem cells at the wound edge begins to migrate and multiply. They form a protective layer which is called the epidermal barrier. If you hear that, there's a bird that is trying to build a nest on my window. Now, they form a protective layer which is called the epidermal barrier, which seals the wound and prevents further infection. Now, the next stage is angiogenesis, which is the process of forming new blood vessels. Now, this angiogenesis stage plays a very crucial role in the process of skin regeneration, because it helps to provide oxygen and nutrients to the healing site of the skin. That's the part of the skin that is injured or broken or burnt or whatever that is trying to regenerate. Now, the growth factors that are released during the inflammation stage stimulates the growth of new blood cells, ensuring that there is proper nourishment for the regenerating skin cells. Now, there's also collagen remodeling. Now, collagen, like you all know, I have a lot of videos where I talked about collagen. I can probably put it in a playlist and you guys can just click on it and binge watch all of those videos. Now, we all know that collagen is a protein that gives your skin strength and structure. Now, during the new healing process, the newly formed collagen fibers rearrange themselves to make the repaired skin stronger and more flexible. Now, we also have the maturation and scar formation stage. As the new skin continues to regenerate, the newly formed tissues mature and undergoes remodeling. So there you have it. This is my take on the regeneration process of the skin. I hope you found this video informative and intriguing. If you have any questions or topics that you want me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fascinating content on skincare formulation and beauty tips. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye, and I'll see you next tomorrow.